Hello, today we will guide you through how to book a flight on Emirates. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Emirates website. On the homepage, look for the Book a Flight section. This is where you'll enter the basic details for your trip. Everything you need is on this page, so take a moment to get familiar with the form. Next, choose your trip type. One way if you're flying in a single direction, return if you're coming back to your starting point, or multi-city if your journey includes several stops. Picking the right option here ensures the form shows the correct fields for your itinerary. Now select your departure airport. Click into the From field and begin typing the city or airport code. Suggestions will appear as you type. Choose the exact airport you want, especially in cities with multiple options. Then move to the To field and select your arrival airport in the same way. Double check that both cities and airports are correct before continuing. Select your travel date or dates using the calendar. You can navigate forward or backward to find the best timing. If your schedule is flexible, glance at nearby dates for potentially better fares or more convenient departure times. Make sure the date format matches what you intend and confirm your selection. Set the number of passengers by opening the Passengers menu. Choose the correct counts for adults, children, and infants as needed. This helps display accurate pricing and seat availability. It's a good idea to keep traveler details handy, as names must later match passports exactly. Pick your travel class. Emirates typically offers economy, premium economy on select routes, business, and first. Consider your budget and comfort preferences. Higher classes include more space, premium dining, and added benefits. When everything looks right, click Search Flights. The site will display available options based on your criteria. On the results page, compare flights by departure time, total travel duration, and number of stops. Review fare types and what they include, like baggage allowances or change flexibility. Select the flight that best matches your needs. From here, simply follow the on-screen procedure, review your itinerary, confirm fare details, and enter each traveler's information exactly as shown on their passport. Add contact details, frequent flyer numbers if applicable, and any special assistance requests. You can usually select seats and add extras before proceeding to payment. Complete payment using the available methods, then wait for the confirmation screen. You'll receive a booking reference and an email with your e-ticket. And that's it. You've successfully booked a flight on Emirates. Safe travels.